Hey, how's everybody doing? Welcome back. So we're out here today on this beautiful sunny day to give Papa Foxtrot here her annual bath. Spring's been brutal with all the pollen, and Papa Foxtrot here is looking J3 Cub yellow. So got to get out here, wash it off so it's not quite so embarrassing to fly. Anyhow, before we get into that, I first wanted to say thank you to every single one of y'all. We've just recently hit 1,000 subscribers. I've had this channel now for what, maybe 4 years, I believe. Never thought I'd get this far. I first started doing the videos for my training because I'd get on the ground and couldn't remember a thing the instructor had said to me. So I threw some cameras in there so I could review it at the end, and after editing everything down, I thought, why not throw this on YouTube? Now, 4 years later or so, seems like at least 1,000 of y'all like it. Again, thank you all so much. It really motivates me to want to get out here and do more of this. Let's get to washing this plane, and we'll see how the weather and how I feel afterwards, and maybe we'll go air dry it. Well, this poses a problem. Yeah. So now I got to pack everything back up, move a couple hangers down, and try again. So let's do that. Okay, because I'm not about to pull that thing all the way over there. We're going to hop in and taxi it around. So, come on. Okay, so unfortunately I don't have the cables with me to jack into the intercom, but we're just going out and around into the other side of a hangar here. So clear right, clear left, clear straight ahead, clear prop. And we got immediate oil pressure. Lean it out. Okay, now that we got everything moved over here, it's time to get started again. Let's get into this. right, so got her all washed up. Not a perfect detailing job, but enough to get all that yellow and pollen off. So one of the things I do right after a wash is make sure, it's part of my pre-flight anyways, but I definitely want to make sure that all electrical is working. So landing lights on, that nav light is on, these are working, and that one's on. No, it's normally part of the normal pre-flight to check these lights, and I always do, but right after a wash, I feel it's a little bit more important. If water were to get down in there or something and cause a short. Anyways, let's continue this walk around, or I'll get this walk around done and we'll get in the air. I could have taken a little bit more time, done the belly and under the wings, but really they're not all that dirty from the last wash. So, and time is of the essence. So if I want to go up and air dry this thing, I got to go ahead and get on up. So let's climb in here and let's go air dry it. Clear.
Automated weather observation 2147 Zulu weather wind calm visibility 10 clear below 12,000 temperature 24 Celsius dew point 10 altimeter 3018.
Asheboro traffic, Cessna 594 Papa Foxtrot's taxiing from the ramp, runway 3, Asheboro. We're just going to go up here and do a couple in the pattern and dry this thing off and just have a good excuse to go up and fly. Asheboro traffic, Cessna 594 Papa Foxtrot, taking off runway 3, left close traffic, Asheboro. Alright, I don't see anybody coming on approach. I don't have anybody on the scope. Looks clear that way. Looks clear the other end of the runway. Water spots on the windshield. I use a totally different type of cleaner for the windshield. Alright, we got 3 on the runway, 3 on the heading indicator. And let that settle, and we got 3 on the compass. Mixture in. Add power.
No!
Alright, full power set. We got good RPM. T's and P's are in the green. Airspeed coming alive. There's 60. And we're up.
David Sky traffic, clear check 540 is left crosswind runway 6, Davidson. Air Harbor traffic, Bonanza 36 Air is 15 miles to the east. The inbound landing 9, Air Harbor.
Asheboro traffic, Cessna 594 Papa Foxtrot, turn left crosswind, runway 3, Asheboro. Oh yeah, beautiful up here.
Charlie 10, space upon off runway 13 touching.
Already up to pattern. Ashboro traffic, Cessna 594, Papa Foxtrot, turn left downwind, runway 3, Ashboro. Beautiful, beautiful. Boy, the trees have really leafed out. I guess that explains all the yellow on the airplane, huh?
Davidson County traffic, crew check 540 is turning left base, runway 6, state.
Little thermally up here to be expected, but man, nowhere near as bad as that other flight we did. Whoa, bird. Groovy, groovy, groovy. Man, I love this. I can take these soft little waves, man. It's those hard jolts I just don't like. Alright. Pre-landing, landing lights, seat belts, mixture, carb heat, fuel, flaps as required. We're coming up beam the end of the runway, so our carb heat can come out. Throttle it down.
776.
We're inside the wide arc. Get 10 degrees of flaps. 10 degrees set.
County traffic, crew check 540 is turning final, runway 6, Davidson.
Charlie 180 for 13, Charlie.
Shelby traffic, Cessna 5719 is Harbor traffic 36 is entering a downwind for 9 Air Harbor.
And we're waiting for the airport to get about 45 degrees off our left shoulder.
Left downwind for 13, Charlie.
Ashboro traffic, Cessna 594, Papa Foxtrot, turn left base, runway 3, full stop, Ashboro.
And this whole time I've been talking to a camera that's off, and that one keeps falling over. So, man, we'll see how that goes. Yeah, doubt that got much. GoPros, man, I hate GoPros. Okay, so I think I was talking to a dead camera there at the end. Thanks again to all of you that watch the videos, that hit that like button, and that have subscribed. I appreciate you all. Blows my mind, again, how far this channel's got. As usual, y'all fly good. We'll see you next time, and thanks for watching. We just hit 1,000 subs... Now I got to do all this over again. Beautiful sunny day at the airport to give, yeah, of course we're at the airport. Hey, how's everybody doing? Welcome back. We're f***ing pollen. God dang it.